Dispensers, we provide our customers with innovative and reliable dispensing solutions. Our core product ranges cover all professional cleaning and hygiene environments, such as away-from-home washrooms, healthcare and leisure facilities, on-premise and industrial laundries, and professional kitchens. We design and manufacture all of our products in-house, which offers our customers a quick, flexible service while ensuring product excellence. Our company culture drives our core values of innovation, quality and customer focus. The result? High quality products for our customers worldwide.